Germany has taken a bold step in redefining its military doctrine, with the Defense Ministry announcing a major leap forward, the accelerated acquisition of loitering munitions from national defense contractors. This initiative breaks away from the Bundeswehr's traditional, cautious weapons rollout strategy. Instead of limited-scale field trials, the military will deliver substantial quantities of these systems straight to combat units for immediate, in-the-field deployment. This hands-on integration aims to refine tactics in real time and guide future investments based on operational insights. In place of a slow, bureaucratic rollout, Germany is embracing a real-world feedback loop, field testing weaponry under actual combat conditions to determine its effectiveness and adaptability. This method marks a strategic evolution, highlighting loitering munitions as a vital tool in modern conflict scenarios. These weapons, often dubbed kamikaze drones, are not conventional UAVs. They're engineered for one-way missions. Launched into a zone, they loiter overhead using onboard sensors to hunt targets. Once a target is located, they dive bomb it, detonating on impact. Unlike reusable drones, they're expendable, but their dual surveillance and strike capacity makes them invaluable for targeting high-value or mobile threats. What further accelerates their integration is their legal status in Germany. Unlike traditional drones, loitering munitions are officially classified as munitions, not aircraft. This distinction slashes the red tape, freeing them from stringent aviation safety regulations and enabling rapid deployment, a critical factor in NATO-aligned response planning. Germany's arms industry has anticipated this shift. Rheinmetall, a dominant force in the defense sector, is producing the HERO series in partnership with Israeli firm Uvision. The HERO 30 and HERO 120 models are designed for surgical strikes by small units or against heavier targets, respectively. Meanwhile, Diehl Defense has developed the lightweight Libelle, tailored for fast, precise strikes by infantry and special ops teams, boasting quiet propulsion and autonomous targeting. Another major player, MBDA Deutschland, has teamed with Israel Aerospace Industries to offer the HERO system, built for longer missions and outfitted with a powerful warhead ideal for high-impact strategic targets or electronic warfare disruption. Though the Bundeswehr has not revealed which systems will be tested first, the availability of these advanced homegrown technologies ensures independence from external suppliers, a crucial factor amid global supply chain uncertainties and shifting alliances. The decision arrives at a time when Western militaries are rethinking warfare in light of recent conflicts. In Ukraine, low-cost, highly maneuverable loitering munitions like the Switchblade and Kargu have proven devastating against Russian tanks and command units. Similarly, Azerbaijan's use of Israeli-made systems in the Nagorno-Karabakh war showcased how these weapons can deliver precise and rapid strikes, overwhelming traditional defenses. These battlefield lessons haven't gone unnoticed. German military leadership, including General Carsten Breuer, has openly praised loitering munitions as transformative assets that increase survivability and combat responsiveness. He described them as decisive tools that could reshape engagements, allowing faster decisions and more agile tactics. The public and political momentum behind these acquisitions is growing. Some policymakers are now calling for a permanent aerial defense network, a drone wall, across NATO's eastern borders, combining loitering munitions and surveillance drones to deter hostile incursions with constant overwatch and instant strike potential. This shift signals a broader transformation in Germany's defense posture. Rather than merely updating old systems, the Bundeswehr is adopting a combat-ready mindset aligned with emerging security realities. By streamlining procurement, utilizing domestic manufacturing, and emphasizing rapid adaptation, Germany is staking a claim as a leader in next-generation warfare technology. In a volatile global climate, this is more than a military upgrade, it's a statement. Germany is no longer content to follow conventional defense paradigms. It's positioning itself at the forefront of tactical innovation, ready to shape the future of warfare alongside its NATO allies.